And here's what I learned from podcasting. Video and audio editing software. Number one, what software to use and how? Well, there's plenty of YouTube videos out there, and the forums are filled with options for you to try. Be it from really entry-level stuff all the way to professional grade editing software. But where do you learn this from? Just get it from YouTube. Everything's there. Number two, use the free stuff. Now, you don't have to get the most expensive software or the most expensive subscriptions if you don't even know how to use them, right? Learn the basics first. Personally, when I started video editing, I used this software called, Windows Movie Maker. For those of you who don't know what that is, that's really old school stuff, right? And then I eventually moved on to things like OpenShot Editor, and eventually I started using DaVinci Resolve. And for audio, I've stuck to Audacity all this time. What did it cost me? Nothing. Just time to learn, time to experiment, and time to edit. And that's what I've learned from podcasting.